First one of the day, lovely little GT550. This is a new client. He has had this bike for some time. It is completely original and unrestored. Just ridden it some 70 odd miles to get here. So wants me to give it a bit of trot to love, see if we can polish up these engine cases a bit. I did tell him they realistically need to go to a metal polisher, but we'll do a bit of sanding, a bit of polishing, see if we can get a bit of shine back into those. Might throw a bit of gloss black on a few bits of the frame that's a little deteriorated. Get all these wheels polished up, see if we can polish up that rear hub. Just tart it up a little bit, more than anything, get a bit of corrosion protection on it. I am going to do a two-stage machine polish on that tank and those covers, probably throw a little ceramic on it afterwards. So yeah, enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get cracking. There you go, just under 3 hours. This little Suzuki GT550 has been fully trotted, looking loads better. I had a time limit all the gentleman wanted to spend on it, so I've done what I can. These engine cases take a lot of rubbing, but looks pretty good. Just did a two-stage polish on the old tank there, polished up the fork legs. All the exhaust been polished. It's had some XCP corrosion protection on it. Looking loads better. Wants to keep it original, doesn't want to restore it, so it just wanted a little freshen up with a bit of protection. What a lovely example. So this is completely original, standard, now fully trotted.